Generate income through YouTube while growing your home business. Hello, coaches, entrepreneurs, fellow home business developers, and owners. You've got your primary business, but you've got to effectively market your primary business so you can eventually develop leads and make more money. What if the marketing end of things can generate an additional residual income while simultaneously developing new leads and creating more residual money for your primary business? I'm going to share with you how I'm doing this. My primary business I started just shy of 13 years ago, so that's nothing new to me. But this way of marketing that I'm going to share with you, it's something that I just recently began monetizing. And before that, I was not getting my marketing monetized as a separate source of residual income. And now that I am, I wanted to share what I've learned with you so that you can too. So if you're excited to learn how to market your primary business in a way that develops a new residual income stream while simultaneously develops new leads and more money for your primary business, please ravage that ravishing like button until it turns blue. Subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of future videos. And it also really helps me out a ton with the algorithms here so I can keep making these free videos for your mental taste buds to consume. One note of caution here. If you've not been consistent in your primary business and you're not planning on being consistent in the immediate future, then this is not going to work for you. If inconsistency is your past, feel free to draw a deep line in the sand, jump over with both feet, and create a new present and future for yourself of spot-on consistency. If you're going to do that and be super consistent, then you might as well develop an additional residual income stream for marketing your primary business that you've got to do anyway. It only makes sense to leverage something you know you've already got to do anyway and create an additional residual income bucket. First things first, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to assume you've already got your primary business going. If you don't have a primary business and you're looking for a good home business to get into, feel free to privately reach out to me or to the person who invited you here. And let's see if I or the person who invited you here has something good that you can see for yourself. Since the primary focus of this video is not on enrolling new people, let's move right along and get to the primary focus of this video. So you've got your primary home business. Now it's time to get a YouTube channel and an Adsense account. You might already have a YouTube channel. If you do, great. If you don't, great. Sign up for one. It's free. If you don't already have Google AdSense, sign up for one. That's also free. YouTube can be a huge driver for generating new leads for your business if you're eager to learn how to do it right. Once your YouTube videos become monetized, YouTube will pay you through Google AdSense. Google owns YouTube, in case there is any confusion. To be monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours in the past 1 year, and a free Google AdSense account. Right off the bat, you can check one of those three, the free Google AdSense account. Just do it now instead of waiting for the other two conditions to be met so that you don't forget and you're already set to go. Achieving 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours over the past 1 year will come with consistency. That's why I said you have to be consistent. If it means drawing that line I talked about and jumping over with both feet, not one, but both, so be it. If you're already super consistent, then you've got this already. It's just a matter of the passing of time promoting you with your gorgeous consistency. How long will it take you to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours over the past 1 year? It will take a lot less time if you're consistent. I really have no idea how long it will take you. There isn't a magic number, unfortunately, so it could take a few weeks, a few months. I don't know. It all depends on you and the consistent, relevant action you do or do not take. Once you do become monetized, look out. It's a beautiful way to earn an extra residual income. Since you have to market your primary business anyway for new leads and to make new money, you might as well get two birds with one stone. Now that's efficiency. I'm going to share a link to another YouTube video I created on how to get more subscribers on YouTube. The same method I use to get more than 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, let alone a single 1,000 so far, and how I've currently got over 44,000 watch time hours, let alone 4,000 watch time hours in the past 1 year. The strategy is this, and I will use my example so you can draw parallels to whatever your primary home business is. My primary home business is in health and fitness and enrolling others who wish to start their own health and fitness business from home or from anywhere there's Wi-Fi access. Really, it no longer has to be from home. Just anywhere there is Wi-Fi will do for most home business owners. I will consistently create new YouTube videos dealing with topics under the very wide umbrellas of fitness, health, wellness, money, entrepreneurialism, clean eating, nutrition, superfoods, supplements, meal shakes, you name it. It's a wide variety of possibilities. Think about the topics you could cover based on what your primary business is in. When you get a topic in mind, don't create your video just yet. Watch my video on how to generate more subscribers. I will have it in the description area of this video, so look there. In that video, you will learn how to do your keyword and title research so you can create videos that people are already searching for. You will gain traction much more quickly and reach the criteria needed to be monetized much more quickly if you're creating videos that people are already actually searching for. Feel free to search out my YouTube channel for other videos I've created on how to create videos, how to come up with endless inspiration for new ideas, and so on. So when you're creating videos, it's important you are not selling in them. You want to primarily be giving away free value that people can use to get a result right away with. Maybe every great once in a while you can make an offer in a video so long as there's a ton of value behind it, but the overwhelming majority of your videos, if not all of them, should be on giving away free relevant value to your audience. If you are perceived as just trying to sell stuff, then your YouTube channel probably won't gain any traction, and you will likewise have a difficult time generating new leads and making new money in your primary business. If you are seen as a valuable and credible source of help, you are much more likely to get monetized on YouTube more quickly while simultaneously developing new leads and making more new money for your primary business. Examples of videos that I create on YouTube for my audience who's interested in health and fitness and entrepreneurialism are things like how to fill in the blank, 5 steps to fill in the blank, 3 things to avoid to achieve fill in the blank, the myth about making money from home. Demonstration videos also, where you're going to show your audience how to do something. Those typically go over very well too. So get into the habit of how you can teach your audience things that they can do right now to get a result quickly. Done consistently over time, this could build up your authority along with your monetization and your primary business. Make sure you fill out the description area of each new video that you created in YouTube. So YouTube has an area in your creative studio space where you pre-fill out a template that automatically inserts it into the description area of each new video. This saves a ton of time. I recommend doing that. Then you only have to change maybe a couple of things depending on the content of each individual video. In my description area, you'll find links to other resources of information that I put together to help my audience out even further, along with some links around my primary business. In my description area, you'll find links to other resources of information I put together to help my audience out even further along with some links around my primary business. I made that other video that I mentioned earlier in this video that goes much deeper on how to do that stuff, so I highly recommend you check that video out. I'm not just highly encouraging you to check out that video, I'm telling you, you must do it. Otherwise, you could put forth a ton of effort and just spin your wheels and gain no traction and nothing to show for all the hard work that you're doing. I'm telling you, you need to watch that video so that you can create content that people are searching for so that you do gain the traction that you want. Super important. So go off and do that now. And if you've enjoyed this video, if you got some value from it, please just tickle the living daylights out of that like button until it turns blue, and subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified when I make future videos. Also drop a comment in the comments area because I do read those. I would love to know what you're struggling with the most. It just might give me an idea for another video that I'll do in the near future. So I appreciate that. Bye for now, everybody. Mwah.